Hello, welcome back. So in the last lecture we talked about an undefined sketch which we still have on the screen, and now we are going to fully define the sketch. So to fully define a sketch, there are two ways you can fully define a sketch. The first way is you can add relation to the sketch, which SolidWorks automatically added those relations when we made this rectangle. So the second way we can fully define a sketch is by using our smart dimension. So we're going to click on the smart dimension and add the dimension to this line, and let's make that 6. So now you can see that these two lines are fully black, meaning that those lines are fully defined. So, and the only thing that is left is we see that this line are still blue. And you can tell that the line is undefined because I can still grab those blue line and move it up and down. So to make this line, to fully define this line, we click on our smart dimension again and click on the smart dimension, select this line, select that line, and let's make that 5. Now you can see that our sketch is fully defined. And a couple of ways to tell that your sketch is fully defined is the sketch will be completely black all around, and you can see that our minus sign is gone over here, and up down here it says fully defined. So those are the 3 ways you tell that your sketch is fully defined. So let's delete this sketch and draw another sketch. So let's draw a line over here, something like that. So now this sketch is undefined. So now we want to tell SolidWorks where this sketch is in relation to the origin point. Like I said in the previous lecture, you always want to constrain your sketch to the origin point somehow, and you move and you build on your part from there. So let's just start by adding a smart dimension, telling SolidWorks this line to the origin point is 5, and let's tell SolidWorks this line is also 6, and let's tell SolidWorks this line is 3, and our sketch is still not defined. So we need to tell SolidWorks that let's add a relation to this point and the origin point, and let's make it horizontal, meaning this point, this line is on horizontal level as the origin point. So now our sketch is still not fully defined. We can tell that this is defined, but now let's drag it around. See, this line is still moving, meaning that it needs a relation. So let's click on this line and add a vertical relation to it. Now our sketch is fully defined. So you can again you see, in some cases, I'm glad this happened. In some cases, you see my sketch is fully black, it says fully defined down here, but the minus sign is up there. So what we can do is click on update, and now you can see that the minus sign is gone, and let's just exit and go back into that sketch. You can see that the minus sign is gone. My sketch is fully defined by it being all black, and it says fully defined down here. Anyway, that is how you fully define a sketch. You want to make sure you are adding dimension or constraint to it in relation to the origin point. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.